All right, so you want to make the perfect cappuccino at home? Let's do this together. I promise it's way easier than you think. And by the end of these 3 minutes, you'll be your own favorite barista. First things first. What actually is a cappuccino? It's a simple, classic Italian coffee drink. Equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foam. That's it. But the magic is in the details. Step 1, start with great coffee. If you've got an espresso machine, fantastic. Freshly ground beans are best, but use what you have. You'll need about 18 grams of coffee for a double shot. Tamp it down evenly, lock in the portafilter, and pull your shot. Aim for around 25 to 30 seconds. You're looking for a rich golden crema on top. If you don't have an espresso machine, no worries. A mocha pot or an AeroPress can get you pretty close. Just make a strong, concentrated coffee. Next up, milk. This is where most people get stuck, so let's break it down. For a cappuccino, you want whole milk. Trust me, the extra creaminess makes a huge difference. Pour about 150 milliliters into your frothing jug. Now steam it. Place the steam wand just below the surface of the milk and turn it on. You'll hear that signature hissing sound. Don't be scared. The goal is to stretch the milk, adding air to create silky microfoam. Once it feels warm, about the temperature of your hand, submerge the wand a bit deeper to heat it evenly. When the jug is almost too hot to touch, you're done. Give the jug a gentle swirl to pop any big bubbles and keep that texture smooth. Now pour. Start by adding the espresso to your favorite cup. Then gently pour in the steamed milk, holding back the foam with a spoon at first. When the cup's nearly full, let the foam flow out to create that iconic pillowy cap. And there you have it, a perfect cappuccino. If you're feeling fancy, try a little sprinkle of cocoa or cinnamon on top. The best part? Take a sip and enjoy what you just made. Because honestly, nothing beats a cappuccino crafted by your own hands. Cheers! Try it at home and subscribe for more barista secrets. Quick recap. Great beans, 18 grams, even tamp, 25-30 shot, silky microfoam, pour the foam last. Subscribe for more quick coffee tips. See you next cup.